Alright, boys and girls, today we have a book of meme, a Pepe coin, and most of the meme coins are in the red today. What's going on? As BTC is just ranging, not doing much, but we are today seeing meme coins and altcoins not doing that great, and which is, in my opinion now, guys, is the dip we've all been waiting for. So we're gonna go through some charts on book of meme, on Pepe coin, on some other meme coins. I'm gonna as well share with you some low cap gems at the end of the video, watching it till the end. So let's get to today's video, and as usual, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and remember, nothing is financial advice. And now, book of meme, guys, you remember, now this is very important to us today. Book of meme and our friend Pepe is one of those most important charts to be looking at today. Why? Is because these two are now kind of leading the meme coin season sentiment, right? So as I've been saying previously, now Pepe was like one of these first shockers we've seen this far in this bull market, where it got listed very early, very quick into Binance, very early, onboarded a lot of people, got a lot of holders, got a big community very quick, right? So these kind of meme coins, usually they kind of lead because now everyone is looking at them. Those are the big boys, right? Now we've recently seen book of meme on Solana. We've seen as well previously BONK, but it did not achieve that fame, let's say, like book of meme. Like recently book of meme really got captured a lot of that fame with the dog we've had as well. So pretty much is Pepe, dog we've had, book of meme are the guys to be looking at now because they are leading the meme coin season. So we've seen recently DOGECOINE and SHIBA Inu rallying, but they did not trigger a meme coin season, or let's say the meme coin season was already ongoing. They kind of just piggyback on that meme coin season. They really didn't start it. They were just there benefiting from it. So we can see today they are down, but most of the people are asking obviously about dog we've had, Pepe, book of meme, what's going on with those, because those are the new shiny thing around town. So we need to be looking at those, very important. Even though if you don't hold the book of meme or Pepe or dog we've had, if you are allocated into the meme coin space today, in my opinion, you need to be looking at those. Now I generally now only look at book of meme. I even day trade it now just so I stay in touch. Oh, my brain and my intuition stays connected with that book of meme verse. So now what we got here is, you remember now, these 19, 18 level. I told you guys, well, now once book of meme breaks here in hold, good days, happy days ahead. We are back. This means meme coin season is back. Every altcoin, every meme coin you see here today, altcoin, whatever, is gonna be rallying or is gonna benefit greatly from that. So as you can see now, it got rejected from it. It really got rejected from it. So on my Discord, we took a long here. We targeted that to the tick, and now we're seeing this pullback. Now what I do think is gonna happen, so now we got this 12 level, this 012, this is now the support. So this is support until proven otherwise. So anything here or below, in my opinion, is a very good dollar cost averaging area where I would be looking at getting some book of meme spot, because I still haven't started buying it spot. So as you all know, it got listed on Binance and big exchanges after 3 days of its appearance. Did not give much people time to buy in, right? So a lot of people are looking at this now. A lot of people, especially the OGs that understand the charts and don't like to buy the tops and all that, and like to build a thesis behind the coin before buying into it, are looking at the same thing right now. So anything below 12, we get in here. This means the market cap would be around 500 million. But is it gonna go there? Is it gonna go that low? That's not sure, unless really Bitcoin, and I've been saying this, if Bitcoin decides to pull back like 20-40%, meme coins are not gonna like it. Not only meme coins, but all the altcoins in general. So anywhere around 12 or below is a great place, in my opinion. It could even like pump from here. But we've seen the same thing with Myro. Basically, this kind of looks like a bear flag, right? So this could be a bear flag somehow. Could be a kind of a bear flag that we broke from. So bear flag, boom, we broke. Usually we target the lows here. So in any case, now this could be the price here, like around 10. So which is a round number. Usually those are the numbers people like to look at. So round number around here. Now we got this 12, we got this 10. If it gets there, happy days. This is the place I am looking personally to get into more book of meme. So am I still bullish long term on book of meme? Yes, I do think this is gonna be one of those shockers this bull cycle, and we're gonna see possibly higher prices. You can watch yesterday's video to know more details about what I do think this can do, but basically it's the same thing. Like if we look at Pepe coins, so this is Pepe coin listed on Binance. This is the Binance chart. It got listed, started drinking its coffee and start started selling off. So it's the same thing we've seen with Book of Meme here. So usually they sell off around 85%, 75%. We've seen 75% with BONK, and we've seen 85% with Pepe. So keep in mind, Pepe here was back in the kind of bearish sentiment kind of market. Bitcoin was around 30k, so not the same market we have today for Book of Meme. So Book of Meme here dropped around 70%, right? So now usually this is somewhat the bottom, right? So it's either 70 or 75%. I do think could be the bottom. That's right here. So it's around that 1 cent, right? And then what we've seen from Pepe is a long range of nothing. So long range of nothing. Maybe some people will call this a head and shoulders, and then breakout, right? Now here on Pepe, this took around 300 days, basically. From top to breakout, it took around 290 days for it to break out and see another rally back up. But I do think this is gonna be shorter on Book of Meme, and I've told you this now, that since it got listed on Binance, we're gonna have to wait. Now this far, we are just around 19 days. I do think this could take around maybe 50, 60 days. So as recently we've seen meme coin seasons getting shorter and shorter. So usually meme coin seasons on a bull market, now we can see here we're tracking meme coin seasons, and usually these meme coin season, guys, they get shortened once we get a full-blown bull market, or like Bitcoin is going raging. So recently we've seen one from BONK to that Pepe breaking out, it took around 77 days, and then from Pepe breaking out and making that rally to Book of Meme, it took around 20 days. So you can see it's getting shorter and shorter. So for those that don't understand, meme coin season means every meme coin under the sun is gonna start rallying, and we're gonna get new ones and euphoria and all that. So we can see April, where it's just time to accumulate, like nothing is happening basically, where Book of Meme is just doing this, right? Maybe going lower, same thing like with Pepe, and then rally. So this would really match pretty well with when we are expecting the next meme coin season, which is around May, right? So it could be around 50 days. From that first time we've seen Book of Meme, but from today it could be around 30 days. So we could spend April, as I said, ranging. Not much is happening, but this is where you actually have something to do, right? Because when things are pumping, you just sit on your hands, but when things are dumping, this is when you kind of, all right, let's see what kind of meme coin I have on my watch list to start buying. That's what I've been saying. That's what I do usually. So this, the 0.12 and then the 0.10 1 cent is what I'd be really interested into getting some Book of Meme for the long term, as I do think this could do a 10-20x by the bull market, even more. So when it comes to Pepe, now a lot of people are looking at this wedge now. This wedge, by the way, is playing as well on BTC. So BTC as well is seeing some sort of a wedge playing out as well. We can see it here, right? So this wedge on BTC is playing. So some people are saying we could just be doing this and then break out from BTC, as we've been just on a massive uptrend, right? Now these things sometimes play out in a different way, where people get bearish. Now a lot of people could get bearish here, start charging Pepe, and this would add more fuel to that Pepe rage and send it even higher, because now once these shorts are gonna start getting liquidated, or we can just get back into that wedge, they're gonna fuel as they're gonna become forced buyers and send the price higher. So this is most likely what I'm thinking is gonna happen with Pepe coin now. But for those interested for lower prices, I do think this is somewhere we could be looking at Pepe bouncing. This could be a very strong support, like that 49 level. This can be a very strong support. Why? Because we still have that wick from this previous low here. This could be swept. This could be just like Pepe coming back to it and then sending it higher. In most cases here, guys, Pepe is still bullish. I don't think we topped. I don't think it's going down. I don't think any of that. As I said, now Bitcoin is still rallying. Only thing here is for people who are around the sidelines, these are the levels I'll be looking at. Now there are levels below, but I don't think it's gonna get there, like this one here, the 41, and this one here, the 30. So I don't think it's gonna get there, but if it gets there, you know, that's gonna be like the ultimate buy area. We do have as well the previous high, which is here. So the previous high is around 45. So you can see this is kind of like a box. Now we could be looking at on somewhere here we could see that retest from Pepe if it decides to be kind enough to give the sideliners time to get in. So we could see this and then back right up, but this really needs Bitcoin to drop, like Bitcoin drops to 62 or below 60k, something like that, 59k. That would possibly get Pepe there, but as I said, it could just be a short fake out here, a short fake out. We're heading toward a weekend, so nothing is gonna happen. It's gonna be slow, and then Monday we reverse back up. That's what I'm thinking this far. So when it comes to other meme coins, the same thing goes, guys. DOGECOINE, SHIBA Inu, Dog We've Had, Floki, BONK, whatever, you pick your poison. If the top ones like Book of Meme, Pepe, Dog We've Had are not doing much, those here are also gonna struggle. It doesn't matter. Maybe the low market cap on DEX screeners, which we are gonna go through now, but as you can see, not much is happening. If you scroll down, mostly everything is red, because the top ones are kind of the leaders, the indicators. They are telling us now, oops, be careful, but we're getting nice dips now. Like Arab Doge is at 70 million, Grok 70 million, Snake $80 million in their market cap, Ladies 130. So we're getting nice juicy dips. Toshi has 180. Now we can see which is holding stronger today. Now we got Myro flipping with this dip, Kokinu still holding strong on that AVAX. We got Brett now struggling a bit, but still holding, right? So it all comes down to what Pepe and Book of Meme are gonna do. Believe it or not, that's what people are looking at now. At least the people that know what's up, they are looking at Pepe and Book of Meme now. If one of those rallies, it's gonna start the meme coin season and we're back. That's it. That's what you all need to be looking at. Now, recently, if you're a follower of the channel, I shared with you this new gem we are looking at, as recently we've seen the Joe Biden meme coin rallying to around almost $300 million in its market cap. You know, we got in early, we pulled in around 10x on it. And now I've shared with you this one recently, the Hunt Biden meme coin. So I'm gonna update you on that as well here on today's video. So you remember this, I got it from the previous video. We got in here, it was around $2 million in its market cap. So it went as high as $15 million in its market cap. Now it's pulling back. Now it's around 6.5 million. So we can see now here, this thing is looking great. Now it's not rocking. It went through that first phase of sell-off and Jeets leaving and all that you can see here. And then we're seeing the second wave now. So possibly some accumulation and then possibly another rally up. I keep accumulating this. I'm still buying this. Looks great this far. So it could go follow that button. It got that in it, right? It's still very risky. Those are low cap risky plays. It's some Solana meme coin, low cap gem on DEX screener. So you know what's up, guys. This is the gambling side of the market. Now, I'm still holding. I'm still waiting for higher, even though we've got this high volatility. Now, if you're trading DEX screener, you're trading these meme coins, you gotta have some stomach. You gotta have some stomach in here to kind of be able to handle the volatility on these coins. So not many people make it. When you hear the stories of Dog We've Had, somebody bought Dog We've Had like at $1 million in its market cap and now made millions. Those people, they went through this stuff, right? Sometimes you get robbed, you lose all your money, and sometimes it works out. So you can see now we picked the Hunt Biden. So far it's working well for us, right? So the next one is Test Token. So I shared with you as well, this one, Test Token. I do think, or let's put it back into that market cap. So I do think the first time I shared it was around here, right? So it was around that $2 million in its market cap, and now it went as high as 10 million, and now it's coming back down. So I do think this is gonna keep trending, but I'm still looking at it. I'm still holding. If it comes down, I will buy a bit more. Keep in mind as well, as usual, these are risky, but I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm doing. You can join my Discord, link in the description. If you want more of this, we're day trading daily as well. I'm sharing my day trades on large caps and as well those DGen gambling high risk, remember. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, link in the description. And remember, nothing is financial advice. This show is for entertainment and some education. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.